Well, hello, good morning, beautiful people.
We have made it all the way to Jiufen, which we are going to be exploring today.
We have made it, oh my god!
If you didn't watch our last vlog, we were in Hualien and we actually took the train from Hualien to Keelung because that was 200 kilometers. We wouldn't have made it in one day, and also it was bad weather again. Wow, look at that flag behind me.
It's beautiful.
Incredible. But we made it to Keelung. We spent last night there, and today we just cycled up to Jiufen. It was only 13 kilometers and we didn't really film it because we didn't think it would be very interesting. Turns out it was quite a good climb. Now it's gonna be uphill and a really interesting ride. Yeah. But anyway, we're here now in Jiufen. Jiufen is a very famous touristic street, or town, I guess. Let's go check it out. I'm really excited for this.
Alright.
I love it. We really have to climb all these stairs after climbing a mountain on our bicycles. This is already very cute and beautiful, and this is not even like the main touristic section of the town yet.
I thought this was the place in Taiwan that no one knew about. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty.
Wow, this is gorgeous. One of the reasons that this particular town is so touristy is because there is a famous tea house here that is strikingly similar to the tea house that is in one of the most famous anime movies, Spirited Away.
We were supposed to watch it last night because I've never seen it and we didn't, so I'm gonna discover it for the first time now.
People speculate that this was where it was inspired from. Apparently that's not true at all. It wasn't inspired from here, but it just looks so similar to the town in that movie because of all of the red lanterns and the designs of the buildings. So it's honestly like, it's so beautiful. I can see why it's so popular, and being here on like a cold, cozy day just feels right. There's lots of famous tea houses here, so we're definitely gonna have to go to a tea house, get some delicious street food, and just explore all the cute little alleyways and lanterns. Right above us is the famous Ame tea house. Apparently you do need to make a reservation to go there, so I don't think we're going to be going to that tea house today, but I think looking at it from the outside is probably one of the things to do, and there's a lot of people doing that. Apparently it's not the only tea house in town, so I think we'll be okay. It is very beautiful though. Jiufen used to be a mining town, so they have a little thing here, and actually right there is an entrance to one of the old mines.
Interesting.
That's cool, huh?
See, this is also cool to not do homework and not know where you're going, because then you just discover it for the first time. Taiwan sweet
So
potato.
this is an old mining cave, but if we keep going through, we're gonna find the Taiwan sweet potato tea house, which is very cool.
Interesting to see how this used to be a mining place.
Wow.
This is the first tea house in Jiufen.
Oh really?
Yes, its beauty is over 100 years old.
Wow, look how cool this is. It's like they're actually boiling the kettles or the tea over coals, like traditional way, not electric kettles.
哎，我再过去拿。
谢谢. Ooh, wow. So she's just given us a little sample, but I think we're probably gonna have some tea here anyway, because it's the oldest tea house in Jiufen, and it is so quaint and beautiful. I love it.
Wow.
It's so adorable. I love it. Okay, and they have an actual koi fish pond inside their tea house, which is adorable. Did you see the prices of that tea? So that was the cutest tea house I've ever seen. It was also the most expensive tea house I've ever seen. Just for Max and I to sit there and have a pot of tea to share would have cost us 50 Australian dollars. And as much as I would love to do that because it was so beautiful and it's like an experience, 50 Australian dollars just hurts a little bit too much. Hopefully one day we'll be able to pay for those kinds of experiences and not worry about the budget, but today is not that day. There are lots of vendors giving away free samples, and they just gave me grape seed juice, which I've never heard of, but it's very sweet but also very sour. Ooh, it tastes like a sour lolly drink.
Oh, wow.
It's like a sour lolly, hey? Yeah,
Unique taste.
I don't know if I would want a big glass of that, but it's a very interesting thing to try. Okay, we found something a bit more within our price range that we could try whilst we're here in Jiufen. So this is taro balls, and it's actually a dessert. So it's sweet taro balls, and you can get them hot, or sometimes they put them over ice as well. But considering it's so cold today, I thought a hot one would be the best. So there's 3 different types of taro balls in here. There's a white one, a yellow one, and a purple one. But then there's also these, which are actually beans. That is very interesting. And the taro is so squishy. It's really nice. It's better than you think it's gonna be, right?
It's better than you think it's gonna be.
Well, we made a big mistake when we came here. We didn't bring any cash with us. We only have like 200 yuan left in our purse. And the ATM here, there's one, and it didn't work. We have very limited budget, and basically this entire street is like food and drinks and things, souvenirs, stuff that you want to buy, and we have no money. We have to really pick and choose what we're going to spend our limited 200 yuan on.
Hello, 你好. Just one. One, please. Oh, yes, please.
Do we?
Yes, right.
In with ice cream?
Okay, cilantro. Okay.
Sorry.
Hold it, take a photo.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Hey, 谢谢.
So good. Thank you. So this is peanut ice cream with cilantro wrapped in a dough, but it's oozing of peanuts. I mean, all of this is shaved peanuts. I forgot how cold it was. I forgot it was ice cream.
When I saw the shop, it immediately caught my attention because it's one of the popular shops here to try, as I guess it's quite unique. But the cilantro honestly threw me off. I did not expect that, so I would have said no, but Max said yes. That is so good. So different. Say yes to the cilantro. Wow, I would have said no, but it is good. I cannot believe how busy it is here compared to everywhere that we've been so far in Taiwan. It's just, we haven't experienced this level of tourists yet. It's so peaceful and quiet everywhere, and then this one street, which is admittedly quite narrow, so it makes it probably seem a lot busier, is just insane. We've just spotted our next little morsel of deliciousness. For some reason we're going for sweet food, which is very unlike me, but I'm okay with it. So a little honey cake, tiny petite thing, but it was only 30 yuan, and it looks yummy. We got ripped off.
It's empty.
The whole center is empty.
Empty inside.
It's good, 谢谢. Oh no, we're just making a joke. It's okay. It's okay, it's just joking. I think she got actually concerned.
Thank you.
谢谢. It's actually really good. I know, we were just making a joke. Ooh, look. It's a brown sugar mochi. I guess with the heat it kind of melts and it leaves this hollow cavity inside. Oh no.
Yeah.
The honeycomb.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
it.
Thank you. This is
Very
delicious.
delicious. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Free.
Oh, shit. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
One, please. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. So it's very simple. It's very well built. It's like an old pastry, but it's not sweet. It's a treat of cheese. But he did put sugar on it. Exactly the same pastry as a croissant.
This has just become a food tour of Jiufen.
You're welcome.
But this is what we like spending our money on.
So in our next set of activity, we've managed to escape the crowd.
Next on the Max and Jacqueline show.
We got ourselves a cheeky little coffee at Family Mart.
With an incredible view, by the way. Definitely, if you're looking for affordable, a view and a warm place, Family Mart's your joint.
And there is a trail not too far that goes to the top of a mountain called Mount Keelung. It's a steep one. It's 900 meters one way, but 500 meters of incline. So it's steep.
It's gonna be spicy.
It's gonna be spicy.
But we just ate so much naughty food, so
This is very pretty, and it's
This is
definitely much
gorgeous.
quieter with the crowd.
this is where we would have bicycled had we bicycled this section. Up here. Well, that would have been hard. Later. That's for dinner. Oh my god. I don't know how high we've climbed. My ears just popped. Oh, I thought this was the top, and it's not.
And after 2 hours, 15 minutes, I'm joking, and after just 10-15 minutes, oh, she might not make it. We have made it. Oh my god.
It's pretty.
Whoa, what a view.
Yeah. On a
Wow.
clear day, this would be magnificent.
Holy moly. Oh, this is actually much more spectacular than I thought it would be.
Well, it's very cold up here, so we're gonna go back down and make our way back to Keelung. So we'll see you there. We are back in Keelung, Guangshan Jile Temple. Seems to be Buddhist.
Oh wow, it looks really beautiful in there.
Yeah.
Very different from what we've seen so far. Wow.
Very pretty. That temple was absolutely gorgeous. So many little cute details, like all the Buddhas all over the walls and the ceiling. Loved it. And one of the things that I just thought of that just occurred to me is that the entire time we've been in Taiwan, none of the temples have asked us for an entrance fee, which is very uncommon when you're traveling. Usually most like temples or cathedrals, they often ask for an entrance fee. So I actually really appreciate how many temples we've been able to just see and have a quick glance into because we don't have to pay an entrance fee every time.
I didn't sign up for this. Oh my gosh. A lot of food coming up.
Oh my gosh, more stairs. Look, you guys didn't see it in this vlog, but we actually climbed the mountain to Jiufen on our bicycles. So there was a bit of extra effort put in before we started filming that you don't know about.
Plus we've cycled a whole bloody country. Wow. Whoa.
Wow, this one is really cool. The colors, and then it has this like white contrast, which makes the colorful part stand out even more. Very cool, very much worth coming up here. Hopefully it's open if you guys decide to come up here as well, because it's very nice. But it's quite cold, so I think we're gonna go get something to warm us up. Okay, thank you. So we've come to a dumpling restaurant. We've ordered some amazing looking, these ones are chive and pork dumplings. And then we also have some xiaolong bao coming, the soup dumplings, and some steamed buns as well, because she had a whole menu of steamed buns, so I thought we should try those.
Yay!
Ooh, these look good.
Thank you.
Perfect. 谢谢.
I mean, this is nice, but The ones at the 7-Elevens are just as good. It would be pretty hard if every time we ate in Taiwan, it just got better and better. So we're bound to get something that's not like our favorite every now and then. I don't think I'm being negative, but they're not the best ones we've had. Really good. The tab and pork ones are really good.
Beautiful people! It has come to an end in our time in Keelung. It was short but sweet, delicious. We even got a bubble tea. For now, we are out. Tomorrow, we are finishing our 3-week trip around the whole island of Taiwan on a bicycle.
Jiufen was absolutely so much fun.
It's really beautiful.
Yeah, even if you're just staying in Taipei, I highly recommend a day trip there because it was actually just fun. Like, it was just a good vibe, good time. Everyone was happy.
And the food was delicious,
Yeah.
as usual.
Yeah, exactly. As usual, it turned into a food vlog.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow for, sadly, the last episode of the series. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you in the next one.
Bye, guys.